In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who viewed a file on Dropbox and get some basic viewer info. Let's dive right into it. First things first, to get started, you'll want to log into your Dropbox account via Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the file you shared. This is your starting point for finding out who has been interacting with it. Now, for this feature to work, viewer info must be enabled for the file you're interested in. Essentially, this is what allows Dropbox to show you those helpful little avatars or indications of who is currently viewing or has recently viewed your file. So, as you head over to the file, you might notice some avatars or a list that reveals who has looked at it. This is great for getting a quick idea of engagement. When you find the file, click on it. This will allow you to preview the document or image. It's in this preview window where the magic happens. You'll want to direct your attention to the right side of the screen, specifically looking for the Activity tab. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find a list that includes timestamps and viewer information, provided this feature is supported for your file. This activity feed will give you a chronological outline of who has accessed the file and when, offering valuable insights into viewer interaction. Occasionally, you might not see any viewer info here. If this happens, don't fret just yet. There's a simple way to troubleshoot this. Head over to your settings. You can access this by selecting your avatar, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Viewer Info. Make sure that this feature is indeed enabled for your account. If it isn't, toggle the setting on. This is crucial because without its being activated, you will not be able to view who has interacted with your shared files. And there you have it, a straightforward way to monitor engagement with your Dropbox files. Keeping track of who has viewed your documents can be incredibly beneficial for managing collaborative projects or simply ensuring that your shared information reaches the intended audience. By following these simple steps, you can easily access this feature whenever you need it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Hopefully, this guide helps you effectively use Dropbox to its fullest potential. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps. Until next time, keep your files safe and your information effortlessly accessible with Dropbox.